All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your kind attention. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan salam sejahtera, salam madani, if I may say so. Yang berusaha Puan Azizah Hamzah, Director of MSTB, distinguished speakers and participants. Yang berbahagia Dato-Dato and Datin-Datin, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning and warm welcome to SOFTECAsia 2025. Now, this is the 16th edition of Asia's premier event on software quality assurance, or SQA, and software testing, organized by Malaysian Software Testing Board, MSTB. Right, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, artificial intelligence, or AI technologies, are driving profound transformations across software-enabled systems, influencing how such systems are developed, deployed, and utilized. Now, these changes necessitate significant adaptation in SQA practices, particularly in the domain of software testing. Now, the pace and scale of this evolution constitute a paradigm shift that can be regarded as a revolution in its own right. In the previous edition of SOFTECAsia, attention was given to a broad examination of how AI technologies are reshaping the landscape of SQA and software testing from the standpoint of technological development. SOFTECAsia 2025 seeks to extend this discussion by adopting the perspective of SQA practices and practitioners. Rather than responding reactively to the impact of AI, there is an imperative for professionals in the SQA and software testing to engage proactively with these emerging technologies. Now, the forthcoming conference will emphasize approaches through which practitioners can integrate AI into their work to enhance assurance practices, elevate testing methodologies, and adapt to the ongoing transformation of the field. Join us in charting the next frontier of SQA. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to SOFTECAsia 2025 AI-driven SQA revolution. Thank you very much. On that note, we look forward to a very fruitful session this morning. But before that, allow us to invite Puan Azizah Hamzah, Director of MSTB, for her welcome speech. Please welcome Puan Azizah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all participants. Esteemed MSTB Director, Associate Professor Dr. Rozilawati, our distinguished speakers, all delegates, and ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I wish to give you a warm welcome to SOFTECAsia 2025. As mentioned, this is the 16th edition of our annual conference on software quality assurance and software testing. First and foremost, I would like to convey warmest regards from our beloved President, Puan Mastura, who is not able to be with us today. Nevertheless, she wishes everyone here a fruitful conference. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, we have adopted the theme of AI-driven SQA revolution for the conference. Why revolution? Because the changes triggered by the advancements in AI technologies are disruptive and it's going into every facet of our lives now. And it's taking place quickly, very quickly. I think from a few years ago and to now, we have had very significant changes and AI has been going into everything that we do, information, whatever field, yeah? And specifically, in the realm of SQA and software testing, these technologies are enabling new ways on how SQA and software testing tasks are done. At the same time, this exerts demands on practitioners to modify, if not change, the methodologies and enhance the skills accordingly. The speed of these changes is nothing less than revolutionary. In line with the theme, this year's conference shall strive to look at from the perspective of AI and how it affects software testing and practitioners, the practices, and how it affects the practitioners. We have lined up. We have lined up very knowledgeable speakers, as normal in the software conferences. And this year, our speakers will share their knowledge and insights on how these new and emerging technologies will impact SQA and software testing practices and the practitioners. The intent is to enable practitioners and their organizations to be proactive and to be at the forefront of the revolution. In the Malaysian context, the need for SQA and software testing professionals to master AI technologies relevant to their practices have become more crucial. Our national plan, the 13th Malaysia Plan, in the 13th Malaysia Plan, AI has been given a significant place. It is now mainstreamed in the different fields of national and economic development. It has become a primary thrust. And over the next 5 years, we will see this going into all the different areas more and more. Consequently, SQA and software testing professionals have crucial roles to play in ensuring that systems and solutions are thoroughly tested to ascertain the level of quality and to meet expectations. And moving forward, apart from the professional certifications and conferences, MSTB will be focusing on a few areas. One area is to rejuvenate the collaboration that we have with Malaysian universities and to enhance the software testing and requirements engineering offerings for the undergraduate through our Academic Outreach 2.0 initiative. I hope that the universities will come on board this program, discuss with us, tell us your needs, and I hope we can work together further on this. Yeah? We strongly believe that these two areas, are crucial towards producing high-quality professionals for the industry. And at the same time, we will also increase the employability of the students upon graduation. As the appointed TMMI local chapter for Malaysia, MSTB also intends to intensify our efforts towards helping organizations build and strengthen their testing competency and capability aligned to the TMMI Foundation's scheme. In the longer term, MSTB is also looking into establishing a platform conducive for SQA and software testing professionals to network and to offer independent services to the open market. On this note, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to our distinguished keynote speakers, workshop facilitators who have spared their precious time and traveled all the way here today, namely Prof. Jasbir. Thank you. Vipul, we met you this morning. Philip, Liu, Simon Frankish, Zarina Zain, Robert Rose, also just met this morning. Herman, Muhammad Tahir, was formerly from MSTB, and we're proud that you are going into the industry with your experiences. Priscilla Bilavendran, we've met before, and welcome. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like also to convey sincere acknowledgement from MSTB's Board of Directors to the following organizations. Edwards Life Sciences. This is no order of importance, just alphabetical order. Employees Provident Fund, or EPF, Orsted Services Malaysia, and Swift Support Services. These organizations have been sending multiple delegates to join our conferences over the last 3 years. And For this year, we have 35 delegates from SWIFT participating in the SOFTECAsia conference. Thank you. And we hope also that this conference will continue to give benefits to all participants. And we hope that your joining our conference will bring a positive impact, bring new knowledge to your organizations. So thank you for your support, and please enjoy the rest of SOFTECAsia. So welcome again, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Puan Aziza, for the informative and inspiring speech. Thank you once again.